Understanding sand with the grain. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that might sound a bit puzzling at first. Sand with the grain. This phrase is not just about woodworking. It's a metaphor packed with meaning. Let's unpack it together and see how you can use it to smooth out your English communication skills. At its core, sand with the grain comes from the world of carpentry and woodworking. When you sand wood, you're advised to move the sandpaper in the direction of the wood's grain. This method ensures a smoother finish and avoids damage. Metaphorically, to sand with the grain means to approach situations, discussions, or problems in a manner that is natural and least resistant, thereby achieving smoother outcomes. Understanding the context in which sand with the grain is used is crucial. This phrase can be applied to various aspects of life, including negotiations, conversations, and even personal development. It suggests that going with the natural flow or taking the path of least resistance can often lead to better and less confrontational results. Recognizing when to sand with the grain is a skill that reflects wisdom and adaptability. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be woven into everyday language. In conflict resolution, when dealing with disagreements, it's often better to sand with the grain, seeking common ground rather than opposing viewpoints head-on. In personal growth, personal development is like sanding wood. You must work with the grain of your character, not against it, to achieve true growth. In business, the most successful negotiations are those where both parties sand with the grain, finding solutions that align with their mutual interests. Be observant. Understand the situation or the person you're dealing with to identify the grain. Be adaptable. Sometimes, going against the grain is necessary, but knowing when to adapt your approach can lead to better outcomes. Communicate effectively. Use this phrase to encourage others to seek harmonious solutions. We hope this video has shed some light on the intriguing phrase, sand with the grain, and how it can be applied not just in woodworking, but in our daily lives and interactions. Remember, the key to smooth outcomes often lies in understanding and working with the natural flow of things. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you navigate the fascinating intricacies of the English language in our next video. Happy learning!